Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube live session. This live is to tell about my new book. Okay, so let me share the screen first. Okay, I'm sharing the entire screen and let us discuss about my book. Actually, a few minutes back, I sent this newsletter to rajamanikam.com subscribers. Okay, so there I provided the link for that book. It's available at Amazon. Okay, actually I added this link in the description of this video also. So check that description link. Okay, uh, and you will be seeing this page. Okay, so it's a very simple book. I made this book with the help of ChatGPT. Okay, though I wanted to share a lot of personal things, I haven't included. I just made it as a very general purpose book. Okay, maybe if you are interested to get my guidance for running ads or doing SEO or any kind of promotion for your product. Say, for example, if you have a product, you want to make the sales and your budget is limited, you want to make that very effectively, use that effectively. Maybe you can discuss. Actually, I have been doing it for many years for personally for myself, my products and services, and I spend a lot of money unnecessarily. That is true, but I learned a lot of lesson. So you need not do the same mistakes, make the same mistakes again, right? So in that perspective, I can guide. But I thought of adding all those details, but I don't know whether everyone will be liking that. So I just followed the ChatGPT's guideline. So it is very general purpose book. It will be like this. Okay. So I hope everyone is seeing this screen. Let me check whether the live is going on. So live is going on. Okay. So the book will be like this. The content will be like this. Actually, I made this book with the help of ChatGPT. Suppose if you don't like that kind of books, you can just ignore. And I used to publish a lot of blog posts on my blog. Maybe you can check that also. Okay, but if you are okay with that, maybe you can consider buying this book. Actually, this book is available enrolled into KDP Select. That means you can freely read that content if you are Kindle Unlimited member. Okay. So apart from this book, I have written, released many books, especially AI related things. Most of the books, my recent books, all my books are related to AI. Okay, planning AI, using AI, that kind of things. Okay, because I feel that AI is going to make a huge impact. So every industry will be getting affected. So we need to be ready to face that. So in that case, we have to use that. Whether you like AI or not, it doesn't matter. You have to use that to be relevant in any business or to be keeping your job. Okay, so 42 books are there. Okay, so you can go through the details: Python, data science, RAG, NHN, AI context engineering, LangChain, and this one I long back I released. Okay, and this how to use AI tools to learn English, AI agents for beginners, AI Christmas magic. Okay, so apart from that, as I said, I have released some other books like Power Apps, motivational book. Okay, so most of the books are AI agents with Agent Kit, AI tools, software testing in the AI era. I hope this is a very important book. If you are interested in software testing and using AI for testing, you can explore this book. Okay. So a lot of book you can check, see all, and then you can go through all the details. Okay. But the purpose of this live is to talk about my newly released book. Okay. So let us focus on that one. Okay. So about digital marketing and okay, so let us go through the content. So introduction and the chapter one is to explain the basics of AI for digital marketing, to explain the basic understanding so that beginners can also get some points. And next chapter also similar to something like that only, thinking like an AI powered marketer. And the third chapter is about using AI to create high quality marketing content. Okay, so here you can see the details. And the fourth chapter is using AI to create digital advertisements. And its fifth chapter is for SEO. And sixth one is for email marketing. And the seventh one is for analytics. And the eighth one is building practical AI marketing workflows and automation. Okay, and ninth one is AI tools every digital marketer should to use. It's a list of tools. And chapter 10 is common mistakes, ethics, and the future of AI in digital marketing. Okay, so I hope you can understand the structure of this book, right? So overall, it's very simple and beginner friendly. Okay, but it won't be having that much deep like. Uh, like things. Okay, it is for very beginners. But if you need one-on-one AI coaching, I can explain. So I have been doing digital marketing for many years, and I am exploring AI for many months. So combining both things, I would be able to guide you in an effective way. So if you have any product, if you want to use AI or any kind of digital marketing approaches for effectively getting traffic, I mean sales, then you can contact me. But getting sales and all that not that much easy, so you cannot have a huge expectation. But I can do my best. Suppose if someone is saying that they will be able to make sales for you with a very limited budget, it may not be that much true. Okay, so you'll be misguided or things. Okay, but if you know the reality and if you want me to explain the things, I can do that based on hourly charges. Okay, I can teach. But basically, I can teach so that you can continue doing without paying further for me, right? That's the way I work. So in that case, for one-on-one AI coaching related things, you can check the details. Maybe I have provided the link in the description of that this video, or you can just check my blog. Search my blog, QPT blog. Okay, and then click this link. Okay, and then click this one-on-one AI coaching. So this is especially for AI training like RAG, MCP, that kind of stuff. But still, I can explain about running YouTube channel, running blog, or any kind of digital marketing kind of thing. Or you can just, if you are not at all familiar with any kind of digital marketing, but if you have some good product, if you want to market it through digital marketing, just you can contact me, we can work collaboratively. Then let us explore that things. Okay, so I have been looking for some projects, that kind of projects also, apart from teaching AI. Okay, so say for example, we can discuss about coming up with some AI chatbots, other things, so that you can effectively sell. Apart from digital marketing, I can guide in that perspective also, full fledged business guidance. Okay, not only guidance, in case of technical implementation, I'll be able to do that based on hourly charges. Okay, so it's a good opportunity because I because of the involvement needed for these kinds of work, I'll be able to do this for one or two people only. So I'll be very choosy about that, and I'll be expecting that your products are really good for the people. So in that case, if you feel that your products are good, you are genuine in distributing it with full customer support. Only problem is you are like getting sales or traffic. That thing we can work out. Okay, but I'm not that much expert. I cannot give you any guarantee. So for example, even for selling my AA course, other things, I'm bit struggling. Okay, that is also true. But I will be able to speed up the things for any new person because I have been doing it for many years, from the year 2008, that time period itself. So I have been doing it for more than 17 years, something, right? But uh, Suppose if I'm doing it freshly, I will be able to do it in a different way without much loss. Okay, so the same thing I can do for others also. So that is the key here. Okay, so in that case, if you want me to guide you for doing any kind of digital marketing or just even doing web development, everything. So if you have a solid product, I'll be able to do everything. How to do the marketing, how to run YouTube channel, how to do the branding. Okay, so purely based on my learning experience, I have been doing it for many years for promoting our timesheet product, running my YouTube channel. So even this blog, so I can just guide, and if you want, I can do some part of the work also. Okay, especially AI related things. Okay, and web development related things. Okay, or if you want me to run your Google Ads something, I can do that. Okay, so but as I said, it's not my primary business. Okay, so if I'm deciding to do that for any person means I should be fully convinced with your product and with your way of doing business. Okay, so if you feel that you are very genuine in product, your product is very really good, it is useful, if the pricing is good, but still if you are facing difficulty in reaching that potential customers, I can help you to do that, but at least you got to spend some money. So you have to pay for me for hourly, and you should be ready to pay for some kind of paid advertisements. Without paid advertisement, these days getting organic traffic is not that much easy. Okay. Okay. So that is one thing. But apart, let me first complete about this book. Okay. So chapter one is understanding A for digital marketing. Okay, types of AI used in digital marketing. Okay, suppose if you are not familiar with AI, first I would suggest getting my AI course, very affordable course. There I explained about everything. Let me first tell about that. You can click this link or this link. Okay, click this AI course. Suppose if you find any difficulty in finding any links, whatever links I'm showing, just mention the comment. I will be chart. I will be just putting the direct links. Okay. So here you can see that like what is AI, understanding AI basics, tips for using ChatGPT, famous AI tools like Notebook LM. Very simple things. I started with the simple things. Then I added a lot of advanced things also. So this course is useful for both beginners as well as professionals. It includes chat like MCP, like context engineering, LangGraph, and RAG, especially RAG and agents. Like a lot of useful information also there. But for beginner friendly information, but apart from these videos, it has a lot of ebooks also. Especially this book will be useful for beginners. Okay, so a lot of advanced things also there. So what I'm trying to say is, if you are not much familiar with AI, it is better to be familiar with that by taking that course. It's very affordable, right? You can get it for just $8, and if you are getting from here means just $8. If you click this link, it's $8 or 300 rupees in India. In that case, you have to contact me to get the access link. If you want automatic delivery, then use this one. In India, it is $7.60. Others, $19. Okay, so it's up to you to decide the way. But if you are very particular about saving money, I would suggest clicking this link and then making payment and then contacting me to get the course manually. Okay, so it's up to you. If you need any details, you can ask the questions through the chat. Okay. So that's about my AA course. And as I said, here personally, so you can just go through that, right? It's a very intuitive things only. But for beginners, I hope it will be like some eye opener kind of stuff. Okay. So it's like what other things are available, what can be done in that uh, perspective. Okay. So if you are not at all familiar with the prompt other things, it can give some insights. Okay. So anyway, it's useful for everyone. So as I said, it may not be having very strong messages or something here, but overall, it's like it is kind of checklist like that, right? So in which perspective you can use digital uh, AI in digital marketing. Okay, so you can just check that. If you are interested, you can get this. And if you are hiring any new person for training the digital marketing or something, you can just give this kinds of books for them. That it's suitable for that kind of people. Okay. But if you need some advanced things, and if you really want to implement something for effectively using AI for doing digital marketing, in that case, as I said, we can discuss for one-on-one coaching. Okay. So, but mostly, as I specified here, I prefer to do the AI development perspective, like RAG, AI agents, that kind of stuff. But still, if someone is interested in digital marketing coaching, I can do that. Okay. And long back, I released a book by sharing my experience of earning online things. Go to rajamanikam.com, just to scroll down, you can find that book. Actually, it is free. My experiences of earning money online. The price is showing as zero, right? Actually, you can get it for free. Okay, but it's bit outdated. And apart from that, I have books for sharing my experience of earning money from YouTube channel. So that book also there, this one. But previously, for few days, I made it free. Now it's $4. Okay, it's affordable, right? So, but this book is free. My experiences of earning money online. So you can just check that, and there also you can find a lot of useful information from digital marketing perspective also. So, but for promoting any kind of products through digital marketing, you should be first understand digital marketing, social media, search engines, like basic things you need to understand. And these days, it is very important to use AI, right? Whether for creating um, like thumbnail image or whatever purpose. Okay, okay, okay. Thanks for watching this, and if you need any other details, ask them through the chat. Okay.